Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Zenless Zone 0 game stuck at checking resource on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check download stuck problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to turn on and turn off airplane mode. So bring down the notification panel and then tap on aeroplane mode. Wait for 30 to 40 seconds. And then again tap on aeroplane mode to turn it off. Then connect to your mobile data or Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a mobile hotspot. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then turn on mobile data on different mobile or different mobile carrier network and then turn on their hotspot and then connect your data to that mobile data via hotspot and then check if your problem is solved or not. If that also doesn't work, then simply restart your Android phones, and once your Android phone restart, then you can go ahead and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to clear the app cache. So tap and hold the Zenless Zone 0 app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then please check the storage space on your Android phones. Make sure you have enough free space of the actual download size available so your phone has room to unpack the files. If that also doesn't work, then simply uninstall and reinstall the app. So simply tap and hold the Zenless Zone 0 app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search and search for the Zenless Zone 0 app and then tap on it and then tap on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Zenless Zone 0 game stuck at checking resource integrity on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.